Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 on an unsupported system. Before starting, I'm going to check if this PC can run Windows 11 or not. So, I will mount Windows 11 ISO file. Right-click on it, open it with Windows Explorer, and then run Setup. Windows 11 setup is preparing. Now, click on Next. And as we can see here, this PC does not support Windows 11 because my system does not have TPM chip. Close it, and let's begin Windows 11 installation process. First, we will need to download these files. The first one is Windows 10 ISO file, second is Windows 11 ISO file, and the last one is Rufus application. I have given you links in the description below to download all these. After downloading, we will create a bootable USB drive. Plug in your USB drive. Its size should be at least 8 GB, and it should be empty. Now, open Rufus application. On the Rufus application, select your USB drive under Device, like this. Under the Boot section, we will select Windows 11 ISO file. Click on Select, and this window appears for selecting the ISO file. Select Windows 11 ISO file, then click on Open. Under Image option, leave it default. Now, under Partition Scheme, we select GPT for UEFI system and MBR for non-UEFI system. Every PC, manufactured after 2014, supports UEFI. I'm going to set GPT for UEFI system. After that, click on Start. Click Yes. Now, Windows 11 bootable USB drive is being created. It will take around 20 minutes. In the meantime, I will do the next step. Minimize it. Now, we will extract Windows 10 ISO file. Create a new folder. Name it Windows 10. After that, right-click on Windows 10 ISO file. Open with Windows Explorer. Here, select all the files and copy them. Then, go to Windows 10 folder, which we created, and paste the copied files here. Let's wait for it to complete. Windows 11 UEFI bootable drive has been created. Close it. Let's verify the USB drive. Eject the USB drive and plug in again. As you can see here, USB drive got Windows Setup logo. Open the USB drive. On the left side, I have opened Windows 11 files, and on the right side, Windows 10 files are opened. Now, we are going to replace Windows 11 compatibility check files and other files with Windows 10 files. So, what we have to do is simple. Open the Sources folder on Windows 10. Here, find install.esd file. This is Windows 10 installer file. Delete it. After that, select all files and copy them. Then, go to Windows 11 Sources folder and paste them here. We will get a message. Click on Replace the files. Windows 11 compatibility check and other files are replacing with Windows 10. So, Windows 11 can be installed on any unsupported system with this method. Now, our UEFI bootable USB drive is ready. Let's begin Windows 11 installation. Restart the system. The moment systems reboot, we will need to press our boot options key continuously. Every system has its boot options key. You can find it on the Google according to your system. On Boot Manager, hit Enter on your UEFI USB drive. Now, Windows Setup is loading. Windows Setup has been loaded successfully, but we got Windows 10 logo here. Don't worry, Installation interface is going to be Windows 10 because we replaced all the source files with Windows 10. But it will install Windows 11. Now, choose a language, time format, and keyboard, and then click on Next. Here, click on Install. Now, accept the license terms, then click on Next. Here, we have got two options. As I'm not going to upgrade Windows 10 to 11, so I am going with Custom for clean installation. Here, we will select our hard drive. If you want to delete your current Windows and install the new Windows, then make sure to select the drive partition in which your current Windows is installed. And also make sure that you do not select the drive in which you have your data. I will not delete my current Windows 10 because I want dual boot operating system. So I'm going to install it on another drive. Click on Next. Installation has started. It will take around 15 minutes. Installation part is completed. Click on Restart. Here, as we can see, I have got two operating systems because I'm doing dual boot. The first one is Windows 11 OS, which we just installed. Second is actual Windows 10 OS, which we did not delete. If you kept only one Windows, then this screen will not appear to you. You will get the screen like this. Here it will take time and restart several times. Windows 11 has been installed successfully. Now, we just need to set up our system. Select Country, then click on Yes. Select Keyboard Layout and click on Yes. If you want to add second keyboard, you can add, I'm going to skip it. We need to connect to internet for proceeding. It will now check for Windows Update. Sign in with your Microsoft account. Here, we need to set PIN for Windows login. Set up the PIN and click on OK. Now, it will ask if you want to restore data from your OneDrive. I don't want. So, I will go with Setup as your device. Here, click Next, Next, and accept it. I don't want to customize, so I'm gonna skip it. Again, it will ask if you want to backup files with OneDrive. Select if you want. I don't want it. Click Next. It will ask for a free trial of Microsoft 365. No thanks. Again checking for update. Now, it is updating Windows 11 files. We are almost done here. It will take a little bit time. Guys, as we can see, Windows 11 has installed successfully on an unsupported system with the help of this method. We all can install it on any unsupported computer. Thank you guys for watching our video. Give us a like if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for new videos.